Hi, I'm Aisha. Today we will explore about forces acted on an object and equilibrium of forces. What is force? Force is push or pull. The SI unit for force is N for Newton. What is example of a force? When you toss a ball upward, it will pull towards the earth because of its weight. Weight is the gravitational force acted on an object. Weight W equal to mg, where m equal to mass in kilogram and g is the gravitational acceleration equal to 9.81 meter per second, approximately around 10 meter per second. Gravitational force acted on all objects on Earth. Now, equilibrium of forces. For an object such as a vase on a table, the forces acted on the vase is weight and normal force N. Normal force is a component of force which is perpendicular to the surface. Are the forces acted on the vase is in equilibrium? For an object on an inclined plane, the force which acted on the object is weight and normal force N. Remember that normal force is perpendicular to the surface of the plane. Since the gravitational force is at the angle of theta to the inclined plane, the object is balanced by an equal and opposite force which is the horizontal component of the weight mg cos theta. Because of the gravitational force tending to slide the body down the inclined plane, thus it is balanced by an equal and opposite force which is frictional force. Are forces acted on this object on an inclined plane in equilibrium? Before we answer the questions, let's explore the forces acted on a hanging object such as coconut on a tree. What are the forces which acted on the coconut? To answer this question, we must relate the previous forces which acted on an object on Earth. We learned that the gravitational force acted on this object, but if only gravitational force acted on the coconut, don't you think it will fall to the ground? So, there must be another force acted on this object, which known as tension T. If the mass of the coconut is 1.5 kilogram, the weight is 15 Newton, so what is the magnitude of the tension? Since the system is in equilibrium, the magnitude of tension T equal to 15 Newton 2. T equal to W. Now, what is equilibrium of forces? When forces are in equilibrium, net forces equal to 0. T equal to W, thus net forces acted on the coconut T minus W equal to 0. Observation: in this case, when an object is in equilibrium, it does not move because net force equal to 0. How about a moving object? Can a moving object be in equilibrium state? For an object which moves in constant velocity, acceleration equal to 0, thus the object is in equilibrium. Thrust equal to drag. When an object moves in a constant velocity, the drag equal to thrust. Thus, thrust minus drag equal to 0. Thus, net force equal to 0. Oh, now I can explain about forces acted on an aeroplane. Thrust moves the plane, where drag is a force acting opposite to the motion of an object. Lift is a perpendicular force to the motion of an object, and weight is due to gravitational force. Conclusion: force is push or pull and its unit is in Newton N. Weight, tension, friction, thrust, drag, and lift are examples of forces. When forces are in equilibrium, net force equal to 0. And these are examples of forces in equilibrium. That's all for now. Thank you. See you again. Bye-bye.